Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to change the languages in Tcl 4042S, alias known as Tcl 312D. As usual, we have here one sample. Let's check the available languages now. So we have English, French, Spanish, Italian, Deutsch, Greek, and I'm planning to add Romanian to it. So in order to do this, I'm going to use SPD service tool and FURIOUSGOLD box. So let's start by downloading the flash file from the support area. Once the flash get downloaded, we are going to proceed to flashing the phone. Meanwhile, let's power it off. Now, let's get back to the software and select our model. T312D, and from here I'm going to choose write firmware and choose our downloaded file from the support area. Now I'm going to press connect, and I'm going to attach the phone with star and hash keys pressed. So let's do this. Star and hash key pressed, and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, as you can see, the phone gets detected and the flashing process starts.
So we only need to wait now for the flashing process to complete. Also, worth mentioning that this operation is totally free. No internet required, so only one active support and access to the latest updates in support area.
So the process, so the flashing process ended. Now let's check the mobile. So as you can see, we already have here the new languages, including the Romanian, which is included in the flash we downloaded from the support area. So I'm going to select it. So everything went okay. Thanks for using our products. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Bye bye.